This is your invitation and introduction to the Port Douglas Professional Communication Workshop, which will enable you to create formal presentations quickly and efficiently, even if you have to clarify your subject before you start. In meetings or places where you have to deliver on-topic responses on the run, you'll be able to drive your points home so they stick. You'll learn how to create and deliver humour, so you have the option to add some spice to your presentations. And your audience will be impressed with your well-structured, memorable deliveries. If you have any wedding speeches, emceeing, or running community events, they will be a breeze. The Port Douglas Professional Communication Workshop will be held at the Oaks, 87 to 109 Port Douglas Road, next Friday, the 20th July. It's an 8:45 a.m. sign up, and we'll hit the road at 9 o'clock on the dot and run until 4 p.m. with full catering. The workshop is high energy, interactive and entertaining. It blends the neuroscience of speaking, giving you an understanding of the driving forces that can be utilised in any form of communication, with the practical application of techniques, enabling you to deliver your message smoothly and memorably. The course content starts by dispelling the fear factors which haunt so many, before unleashing the power of mind maps, where you will learn the skill of creating a memorable presentation in 10 minutes, give or take. This is followed by how to use the stage, with your delivery and content connecting strongly and memorably with your dopamine-charged, energized audiences. We touch on creating change through empowering evaluations, an essential skill for any workplace in this dynamic world. Then we visit understanding the mechanics behind humour, stirring up those neuroconnecting, memory-enhancing endorphins in your audience. Finally, we encourage your dorsolateral prefrontal cortex to take a holiday, so as you relax when you're answering impromptu questions. And we look at strategies for handling tough questions from the press or when needing to nail those job interview questions. Plus, you'll get lots of tips on running engaging workshops as we progress through the day. This is what you'll take away. Stop for a minute and think about it. How could these practical everyday skills have a positive impact on your life? I'm David Burston, the facilitator and the pitchmaster at The Space, the Innovation Centre in Cairns, and I've worked with more than 1,000 participants in Northern Australia and Papua New Guinea, building communication skills. I've also mentored and coached the 70 TEDx JCU speakers since 2014 and have had numerous training trips to remote areas, working with corporate, community and Indigenous groups. Places are limited and you can book on the Eventbrite page now. It is a fully catered for event and your investment is only $199 and great value. I look forward to catching up with you, because at Confidence Unlimited, we love to create confident communicators quickly.